Hello and good morning to everyone. Uh, Today we will discuss about the introduction to electrical drives. This is this course of BTech Electrical Engineering, and it can be learned in seventh semester of electrical engineering. What are the prerequisites which is required to learn this subject? One is power electronics, which I have already taught in last semester, and another one is electrical machines. Electrical machines 1 and 2 means AC machines and DC machines both. Both are required to understand this subject. So this subject can be divided into 5 units, or we can say it is divided into 5 units. First unit is fundamental of electric device. So what we will learn, we will be learning about what is exactly drive is, and what are the parts of drives, and what are the advantages of electrical drive over mechanical drives. Actually, in previous we always used to learn about mechanical drives, but first time you will be learning about electrical drives, so you should know about the advantages of drives. Later, we will be learn about classification of drives, how electrical drives are classified, AC drives or DC drives. Okay. Then we will be learning about the multi-quadrant operations of electrical drives. This is the one of the most important topics that we need to learn in our lifts and elevators. This logic we use to apply. Then we will be talking about nature and classification of load torques. In our next unit 2, in unit 2 we will be learning about of dynamics of electrical drives, means dynamics of motor load combination, of how motor load combination behaves, and about the steady state stability of electrical drive, steady state and transient stability of electrical drive. Okay. Uh, Later in this unit, we will be learning about the selection of motor power ratings. Means what motor we need to select for for a specific operation. Means every operation, every task require a different kind of uh, motor selection. So we will be learning about this. In unit 3, we will be learning about the basics of electrical braking. What is the purpose of electrical braking? Why we require electrical braking? Uh, what is why what are the advantages of electrical braking over mechanical or normal braking? And in this unit also we will be learning about dynamics during starting and braking. How exactly a motor behaves during starting and braking. What are the phenomena or what are the calculations required to learn about the electrical starting and braking of a machine. Okay. In unit 4, we will be learning about power electronics control of DC device. How we can control a DC drive. What what are the converters we require to control the DC drives? Means it will be uh, we will be learning about about harmonics and all harmonics ripples of DC drives, uh, which are because of the power electronics control. And unit 5, we will be talking about the three-phase induction motor drives and three-phase synchronous motor device. Means we will be talking about the AC drives. And last unit, in fourth unit, we learned about the DC drive, but in fifth unit, we will be talking about power electronics control of AC drive. So how we can control the voltage of AC drive, how we can control the speed of the AC drive, how we can control the frequency of the AC drive, we will be learning about in this unit. So this is the subject which is very important, and it it requires the knowledge of power electronics as well as the machines. So basically, drive we can understand by you taking an example. If we take an example as take an example of fully automatic washing machine. Fully automatic washing machine is also an example of electrical drive. It is a electrical drive which uh, by using the drive mechanism we are controlling the motion of the machine. So fully automatic machine requires controlled motion. Sometimes it it requires the uh, specific rotation, and sometimes it requires a continuous rotation. So we will be learning about all these things in all 5 units, and first we will be starting with the fundamental of electrical device drives. So till then, take care, bye bye, stay home, stay safe, and learn to grow faster. Thank you.